my homemade garage door sensor. This is the receiver. Blue light means that the garage door is open, and the other light will blink green to let you know that the power is on, and it's receiving a signal from the main unit. Go over here. As you can see, the garage door is currently open. Here is the controller unit. I manually wired it into the garage door controller, so all the safety parts are still there, but now I can Alexa control that manual switch. So I'll come over here. Alexa, close the garage door.
Closing. Hang on. The garage door is closed.
Alexa, is the garage status open?
Garage status is closed.